In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set Roblox to Windows 8 compatibility and install it from the Microsoft Store. If Roblox isn't launching correctly or you're running into unexpected crashes, a quick compatibility adjustment in Windows can make a big difference. We'll start by updating the way Roblox runs, and then we'll grab a fresh install from the Microsoft Store to ensure you're on a clean, stable version. Begin by finding the Roblox shortcut on your desktop. Right-click it to open the context menu, and then select Properties. This opens a window with several tabs along the top. Click the Compatibility tab. This is where Windows lets you control how older or finicky programs run. Check the box that says Run this program in compatibility mode 4. From the drop-down list, choose Windows 8. Setting Roblox to run in Windows 8 mode can smooth out issues caused by newer updates or drivers, especially if you've noticed problems after a recent system change. While you're still on this tab, also check the options to disable unnecessary optimizations and to ensure the program can run properly on your system. These settings help prevent conflicts with graphics features and can give Roblox the permissions it needs to start reliably. Once those options are selected, click Apply to save your changes, and then click OK to close the window. That takes care of the compatibility side, which often resolves launch and stability problems. Next, let's install Roblox through the Microsoft Store to make sure you have the official, up-to-date app. Open the Microsoft Store from your taskbar or Start menu. When the store opens, go to the search bar at the top and type Roblox. Press Enter to see the results. Look for the Roblox app from the official publisher and click it to open the app page. This page will show the app description, ratings, and the install button. Click Install. The store will download and install Roblox automatically. This approach is convenient because the store manages updates for you in the background, so you'll always have the latest version without extra steps. If you already had Roblox installed, the store will simply refresh or repair the installation as needed. That's it. By setting compatibility to Windows 8, applying the recommended options, and installing Roblox from the Microsoft Store, you create a stable foundation for smooth gameplay. If you follow these steps carefully, you should notice more reliable launches and fewer errors the next time you play.